In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to Squarespace 7.0. To get started, log into your Squarespace 7.0 website so you are at the main dashboard. Once you are there, go to the Home menu. This is where you can access the main controls for your site, including design, pages, commerce, and settings. For this setup, you will want to open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Website section. In that area, find the option called Pinterest Save Buttons and click on it. This setting allows you to control whether visitors can save your site content directly to Pinterest. Turning this on can make it easier for people to share your blog posts, website pages, and products, which can help increase visibility for your content. When the Pinterest Save Buttons panel opens, click the drop-down menu. From the available options, choose Enabled for blogs, pages, and products. This setting makes the Pinterest Save feature available across those parts of your site, so your visitors will be able to pin content more easily. If you use Squarespace for content marketing or online sales, this can be a useful way to encourage more sharing. After that, you can customize how the Save button looks on your site. Use the Size menu to choose between small and large. A smaller button can look more subtle, while a larger button may be easier for visitors to notice. Then use the Shape menu to select either rectangle or circle. This choice depends on the style you want for your website. If your site has a clean, modern layout, one option may fit better than the other, so choose the look that matches your design best. Once you have selected the settings you want, click Save. This confirms your changes and applies the Pinterest Save buttons to your Squarespace site. That is all you need to do to connect Pinterest Save buttons in Squarespace 7.0. If you want the feature to feel consistent with your site, take a moment to choose the button size and shape carefully before saving. That covers everything you need to know.